I'm going to show you how to use free online Photoshop type software. It's called Pixlr. It works in any any browser. You can use it as an app on your phone. You go to their website, pixlr.com, and you just open the editor. It'll run right there on your browser. And you can make a whole new image just with a whole bunch of stuff. You can load from an image you already have on another website, like if it's on your school site and you want to take a logo off or something, you can do that. Or you can just take it from your computer. So I'm going to load one here, and it's that simple. Here we have a picture of a person with the horse and somebody leading the horse, and she doesn't want that person leading the horse to be seen in the photo. So I'm gonna show you how to quickly do an edit without destroying a photo. So a lot of the time people, use Photoshop and they alter the photo. I'm gonna show you how to make changes without ever altering the photo. So the first thing I always do is duplicate the layer because that never changes anything. And then what I want to do is I want to create something to remove her. So I'm going to go up here into the copy area, and I'm going to come over here next to her, and I'm just going to select an area, and I'm going to hit Control C for copy. I believe you can right click and select it. Deselect all. So just do that, Control C, copy it, and then Control V, paste it, and you can see here's the layer right there. And we're going to move this. So to move it, we're just going to go up to Edit, Free Transform. This allows us to move it anywhere we want to. So we're just going to move it right over this girl so that we get all of her feet. See how that is? And then we're just going to hit the Enter button, and that'll put it right there. The next thing we're going to do is what's called a mask. A mask, right here, we're going to add it in right here. The mask now we have added is all white. We're going to make areas black, and the black is the areas that we are going to have. So we're going to use a paintbrush, and we have to select this mask. And then everywhere I start painting, you're going to see that she is going to disappear. When you first do it on this browser, it shows it as red, but then you'll see it just disappears. So all we have to do is make her disappear. And if we're having trouble seeing it, we can just enlarge it a little bit and then go back again to our brush tool and continue erasing her without erasing the horse. And then once we've got all of her gone, there. So now if we look at our picture, we can see that she is gone. It's a really quick, easy fix. It's free. We can then save our file. We can save it, and we can save it here. And it's going to choose what format we want. We have a couple of options depending on what you use. I generally use the JPEGs. I find they're the most usable, but some people prefer these other formats. And then we can rename the image. We're going to just call it fixed, because it is fixed. And you can choose your quality. So if you're going to put it on your phone or something, you might want it a little bit lower. I generally go with a higher one, and then just click OK. And it's going to save it right there where I got the original picture from, but I could choose a different site if I wanted to. And now the image is saved. And so I now have a picture without the person that if I can post it on. So if I have a special handicapped child and I don't want the sidewalker of the horse to be in the picture, I can just do this, and then the parents can have a really nice picture of their child. And so but basically this falls under the IST Standards 5C for explore and apply instructional design principles to create innovative digital learning environments that engage and support learning. Here we can get that. And then also under the TPAC for technology knowledge, this includes understanding information technology broadly enough to apply to productivity at work and in everyday life. And then this just makes it so we can achieve the goal of helping our students have a really memorable experience that will not be hindered by things. So I hope you enjoyed this video.